Hi girlfriends, so today I have a really quick unboxing for you, and also I haven't gotten myself anything in a very long time, so I'm very excited to open this box up. And we got her from a good friend. Her name is Leah, so I'm very excited to open this and show you what I got. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and open it. I have my scissors right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and open the box up. This is very exciting because I love the yellow color. If you're familiar with Dinky has a color named Sunflower, and that color is absolutely gorgeous. I used to have so many beautiful colorful bags, and I actually got rid of almost all of them. Now I just have a few bags, but they're black. They're all black. I don't have any color in my collection, so I'm very excited for this one. So we opened her up. I absolutely love that she put these in there because I use these to stuff bags. I love these. Look how pretty the packaging is. She put the yellow inside of that. That is so pretty. She sent a card. I'm just gonna take a minute real quick to read the card. Oh, I love you, girlfriend. Love you, Leah. Thank you. Thank you so much for allowing me to get this bag off of you, girlfriend. And on a payment plan at that. Alright, ladies. So, here she is. She put her in a plastic bag. I feel like it's always important just in case the weather, it's raining or anything like that. But Leah knows how to protect her bags as well. She got her inside the dust bag. I love 1941's dust bags. Okay, ladies, here we go. Dun 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 dun. Oh my god, she is absolutely beautiful. Wow. The color is absolutely beautiful, very different in person. I thought it would be like brighter, and it's more like of a mustard color, and I absolutely love her. Oh my goodness, she is beautiful. I have the black one. I'm gonna show you the black one. The difference with the black ones, I see that this one has rings, like pewter or gunmetal rings. The hardware is pewter or gunmetal. Absolutely love that. The tea roses are beautiful. It's not what I expected it. I expected it to be brighter, and I expected it to be like a full-on yellow, if that makes sense. But this color is absolutely stunning. It's a very nice surprise. I love the inside. We're gonna get to that now. We're gonna go ahead and open it. Oh, and it's a turn lock, open and closure. And the inside has this gorgeous oxblood color. And then the inside has this kiss lock part right here. I feel like the Dinkies can do without this. This is not necessary, only because I feel like it takes up space in the Dinkies. It comes with this gorgeous chain, gunmetal hardware, and the leather inside of that, or woven into that. The Dinky has two pockets. Has the big compartment right here, and then it has another small compartment here. These are the hooks to where the little lobster clasps get hooked on. The cool thing about this is that you can tuck it in, and you can practically just use this as a clutch for evening or a date night, or if you wanted to use this without this, you can definitely do that, and the things are hidden. It usually comes with a 1941 hang tag, but this one does not have it. I don't think it does, no. I found the 1941 hang tag. Leah had put it inside the dust bag for me, and this is what it looks like. Has the coach and the horse, and then the back has this gorgeous oxblood color with the pewter or gunmetal hardware. It retails for $5.95. If this bag was ever at the outlet, then I'm sure you would get it at a better deal, but it retails for $5.95. It also comes with her Coach Care cards inside, and it's a absolutely stunning bag, ladies. I would have to put some stain repellent back here for any stain transfer because I wear jeans a lot. I don't want the jeans to transfer onto the back of the leather here. So this bag is absolutely stunning. This color would probably be like a teal turquoise. I'm very bad at describing things or colors. Some of the rivets, for example, this one is a really nice blue color, like a blue with glitter in it. It's really cool. A pewter color, a gold one, and then back here you'll see it has little rivets on the flower. So as you can see, Coach has really amazing details. They are a piece of work in my opinion. I absolutely love their work. So I see that these rings here connects the tea roses onto the bag. I feel like that's the only thing that I would possibly have changed about this bag. I would have done the bag without these. So the main reason why I say that Coach could have done this gorgeous bag without these rings is because if you open the bag, you'll see that the rings kind of stab the leather. I feel like it's stabbing the leather, and you see it's dented because of the rings. So the rings will cause indentation on your bag, and I know some ladies have pet peeves about certain things, or dents or scratches, anything like that. So I'm sure this will be someone's pet peeve, so I wanted to put that out there. This is the main reason why I think that Coach could have done this gorgeous bag without these rings, because I feel like it just hurts or stabs and dents the leather. But either way, I love the bag. The dents doesn't bother me. But I did want to point this out to you ladies if you were planning to get this bag. This is the black one. The black one does not have the rings like this one has. As you can see, it's just all tea roses. The back. I use this bag all the time and I absolutely love her, so I highly recommend this one. It's absolutely beautiful, stunning, a piece of art basically, in my opinion. Let me see what color this is. This is in the color Goldenrod. So I absolutely love it. I think it's beautiful. Like I said, the only thing I would have changed are these rings here. But other than that, I think that the bag is a masterpiece. Some of the stitching on this bag even has the blue, like the leaf there. Over here as well. The stitching here is like a cream color or a brown, light brown. We also have some lines that are blue. The flowers back here are blue, turquoise blue. I'm not sure what that color is, but it's beautiful. Some of the flowers here, like this brown and orange, I believe the material is like a suede. The blue must be glove tan leather. The brown ones is like a suede material. That's another interesting detail there. That's very nice. And I'm sure if I keep looking, I'm gonna keep finding details about this bag. So as you can see, little details like that is what really makes a bag. You can see the detail inside, how the rings are connected. You can really appreciate Coach's work when it comes to these gorgeous bags, because I feel like they pay attention to detail, and there's a lot of detail in this bag. Another thing that I want to mention is that inside the left corner of the Dinky, there is this little, it's like a snap closure. Let me see if you're going to be able to see that. Right here. And you just snap it on. I believe that's like you can snap your keys in there for easy access. That way you just find them in this corner. Is there anything else that I would like to show you? Nope, that's about it. So oxblood interior, gorgeous bag. This is a beauty. Absolutely love her. I'm very, very excited, and this is going to be in my collection for a long time. So thank you very much, Leah. I absolutely love this bag. Now I'm not sure if this is a similar color to the Dooney mustard. I believe Dooney has a color named mustard, but this color is absolutely beautiful. It's not overpowering. It's not pow in your face. I think it's really beautiful. All right, ladies, so this was my unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I've looked for a video about this bag before purchasing her, but I couldn't find any. So hopefully this was helpful for you ladies if you're interested in purchasing this bag. She's absolutely a piece of work, a stunning bag, lots of amazing details on her. I would recommend her. Why not? If you love a pop of color, I think that you would definitely enjoy this bag. Let me know what you think about this beauty in the comment section down below, or if you have Dinkies and you enjoy them. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!